Welcome to today's video. We're going over an easy way to make perfect rice in an air fryer. Let's start by choosing the right type of bowl and rice. First, for cooking rice in the air fryer, ceramic, glass or metal bowls work best since they're heat resistant, but just double check they are air fryer safe. And also make sure they're the right size to fit comfortably inside your air fryer as well. Alright, so when it comes to rice, you've got plenty of options. You've got long grain, short grain, jasmine or basmati. Each type has a unique texture and flavour, so choose one that matches your taste. For a burst of colour and added flavour, try mixing in veggies like carrots, green beans or corn while cooking. It's an easy way to make your rice even more delicious and nutritious. But for this video, I will only be using plain white rice. Before cooking, make sure to rinse your rice a few times. What this does, this removes excess starch from preventing it from becoming too sticky. Using filtered water can help improve the taste and quality of the rice. You want to cover rice with water. I usually go about an inch above the grains. Now cover the bowl with foil to retain moisture while it cooks. Set your air fryer to around 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to use gloves when you're taking the hot bowl in and out of the air fryer as well. You do not want to burn your hands. After cooking, if you've noticed there's still water in the bottom, you can cook it for a few more minutes until the water evaporates as well. And that's it. Your rice is ready to be served.